Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to learn the chapter The Sentences. Firstly, we know what is the use of the sentences. Do you know what is the use of sentences? This chapter has also come in your previous classes also. I hope you have some knowledge about this chapter. So let's start. What is the use of sentences? We use sentence for speaking, reading and writing, as are shown in these pictures. As this is a hermit and this is a woman. This hermit means this is साधु जिसको हम बोलते हैं. He is speaking something to this woman. So he is using sentence for speaking, and these students are reading something and they are reading sentences in reading. They are using sentences in reading, and this boy is writing something and he is also using the sentence for writing. So we use the sentence for speaking, reading and writing. Have you understood, students? Now we will know what is sentence. What is exactly a sentences? Do you know, students, what is sentence? Let's get started. Firstly, I tell you the definition of sentence. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. Sentence words का group होता है as the, sky, is, blue. These are the words and these words are making a sentence. ये words जो हैं ये words ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं, वर्ड्स का ग्रुप है ये, एंड ये जो है एक सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं. ये सारे वर्ड्स मिलके एक सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं जो अपने आप में कंप्लीट सेंस दे रहे हैं. सो सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेस कंप्लीट थॉट्स, आइडियाज एंड सेंस. इफ वी से ब्लू स्काई इज इट अ सेंटेंस? इज इट गिविंग अ कंप्लीट सेंस? क्या ये एक सेंटेंस है? क्या ये कंप्लीट सेंस दे रहा है? नो. ब्लू स्काई इज द, नीला आकाश है, दिस इज नॉट गिविंग कंप्लीट सेंस टू अस. सो दिस इज नॉट अ सेंटेंस. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज द स्काई इज ब्लू. हाउ दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस? बिकॉज this is giving a complete sense to us. We know that the sky is blue by arranging these words. These are group of words and by arranging these group of words we come to know that this is a complete sentence. We come to know that the sky is blue. ब्लू होने का पता हमें कैसे चला स्काई का? When we arranged these words, जब हमने इन वर्ड्स को अरेंज किया, we come to know that the sky is blue by arranging these words. The sky is blue. So students, have you understood what is sentence? I repeat it. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. In Hindi, sentence words का ग्रुप होता है जो complete sense देता है, जिससे हमें किसी की बात समझ में आती है और हम अपने thoughts और ideas को express करते हैं. That is called sentence. So now we proceed for the points to remember. There are some points that we should remember to know that this is sentence. Sentence begins with the capital letter. A sentence always begins with the capital letter as A, B, C. It can be anything. As in this sentence, the capital word is tree. And sentence always ends with the full stop, question mark and exclamatory mark according to the function of the sentence. Means जो सेंटेंस होता है हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है और एंड होता है फुल स्टॉप से, क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क से, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फंक्शन. जो भी सेंटेंस में कहा जा रहा है, जो भी सेंटेंस का फंक्शन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं और एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क लगाते हैं. So students, have you come to know what I am trying to say? To understand it, we read some examples. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Is it giving a complete sense? Yes or no? And next, Sanya is good at drawing. In the first sentence, the peacock is a beautiful bird, as is showing in the picture. Peacock एक beautiful bird है. In the first sentence, it begins with the capital letter T and ends with full stop, and it is giving a complete sense. We are knowing by this sentence that peacock is a beautiful bird. ये सेंटेंस जो हमें कंप्लीट सेंस दे रहा है, इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि पिकॉक जो होता है एक सुंदर बर्ड होती है, ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड होती है. अगर ये सेंटेंस के वर्ड्स हैं, ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो हैं, अगर ये प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज ना किए गए हों तो it does not has any complete sense. So it's compulsory for the sentence that it should give us complete sense. Okay, this is giving to us a complete sense. So this is a sentence. Next is Sanya is good at drawing. The second sentence begins with the capital letter S and ends with full stop, and it is giving a complete sense. So this is a sentence. So students, have you understood? Let's revise what we have learned by solving an exercise. अब हम इसको एक एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करके इसको रिवाइज करेंगे. Tick the one that are sentences and cross out those that are not. First sentence is, there are many books in the library. इसमें बताया गया है कि लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारी books as is showing in the picture also. So is it giving a complete sense? These group of words are giving complete sense. Yes or no? Yes. And this sentence is beginning with the capital letter T and ending with the full stop. The second sentence is, Ben has a pet dog. This boy is Ben and it is his dog, pet dog. Is it giving a complete sense? This group of words are giving complete sense or not? Yes, this is giving a complete sense to us that ये हमें complete sense दे रहा है कि Ben के पास एक pet dog है. So this is a sentence, and this is also beginning with the capital letter B and ending with the full stop. So this is a sentence. Next is and they. These are group of words. ये group of words हैं that I have told you that sentence should have group of words. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि sentence group of words होता है, words का group होता है. But is it giving a complete sense? It is beginning with the capital letter A and ending with full stop. As I have told you, मैंने आपको जैसे बताया पहले कि सेंटेंस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है और ये कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए और फुल स्टॉप से एंड होना चाहिए. ये दोनों बातें तो इसके अंदर हैं, बट इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट शुड बी इन इट? कुछ और भी ऐसा है कि जो इसमें होना चाहिए? यस, द सेंटेंस शुड गिव अस अ कंप्लीट सेंस दैट इज मिसिंग इन दिस सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस की का एक रूल और है कि सेंटेंस कंप्लीट सेंस देना चाहिए हमें, जो कि इसमें मिसिंग है, इस सेंटेंस में मिसिंग है. सो दिस इज एन इनकरेक्ट sentence. Next is Mohit is my best friend. This sentence is beginning with the capital letter M and ending with full stop. And this is also giving a complete sense to us. यह sentence capital letter से start हो रहा है and full stop से end हो रहा है, और ये हमें complete sense भी दे रहा है कि मोहित मेरा best friend है. So this is a sentence. Next is playing children the are. Is it correct or not? This sentence is beginning with the capital letter and ending with the full stop. But is it giving a complete sense to us? These are group of words. Is it giving complete sense to? क्या ये हमें complete sense दे रहे हैं? ये capital letter से भी start हो रहा है, full stop से भी end हो रहा है, और ये group of words भी है. But these words are not giving to us complete sense. से हमें पूरी बात समझ नहीं आ रही है कि what is trying to say in this sentence. क्या इसमें कोशिश की गई है कहने की? Playing children the are. So this is incorrect. What is the correct sentence? The children are playing. This is giving us a sense that बच्चे जो हैं वो खेल रहे हैं. Next is the apples are sweet. Apples sweet होते हैं. पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है कि एप्पल्स जो है वो स्वीट हो. इज इट गिविंग अ कंप्लीट सेंस टू यू? क्या ये आपकी समझ में आ रहा है कि इस सेंटेंस में क्या कहा गया है? यस, कि एप्पल्स स्वीट होते हैं. एंड दिस इज बिगिनिंग विद द कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंडिंग विद द फुल स्टॉप, और ये फुल स्टॉप से एंड हो रहा है. सो दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू गॉट व्हाट आई हैव told you? So students, now you will do the exercise. Rearrange the words to form meaningful sentences and also use appropriate punctuation marks. आपको इन वर्ड्स को मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस में अरेंज करना है. These are group of words, but they are not arranged. They are not giving us to complete sense. You are to giving the complete sense to these words. आपको इन words को complete sense देना है. And you are to use सही punctuation mark भी आपको use करने हैं. Start with capital letter and end with full stop, as is told you in the whole chapter. So students, firstly you will listen the video attentively. After that you will solve the exercise. Okay, thank you, goodbye.